Hey there and welcome. In this quick video, I wanted to talk about using ashwagandha as a adaptogen. Let's dive in. So ashwagandha is an herb that is traditionally from Ayurvedic medicine, and it is probably one of the more well-known adaptogens in use today. With ashwagandha, we traditionally use the root as well as the berry, so you want to make sure you're using the right part. And is also known for being anti-stress because it can help increase dopamine receptors. And it can also increase levels of corticosterone, and it can also help to decrease levels of cortisol. So again, like other adaptogens, we kind of see that it's acting on the HPA axis as well. Another interesting fact about ashwagandha is that it also can be used as an anxiolytic, meaning that it can help to decrease anxiety. And this is because it can actually act as a GABA mimetic. So GABA is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that can really induce feelings of relaxation and calmness. So ashwagandha being a mimetic means it can act in that same sort of way as GABA. Like other adaptogens, it's also immunomodulatory, meaning it can affect the immune system. It can actually increase levels of T cells and B cells, as well as the production of other immunoglobulins as well. And it can help with memory or cognition. And it's also thought to help with cognition by increasing neuronal density, as well as restoration of pre and post synaptic neurons as well. So very interesting how it can also have an effect on your memory or your cognition as well. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you learned something new about ashwagandha, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And of course, make sure you're working with your functional medicine provider or your primary care doctor to know if ashwagandha is a good choice for you. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.